Okay, welcome to the crash video. Uh, the Using the BNC trend magnet to catch multiple spikes, an awesome strategy. So you can see what is playing out in the market right now. How there was a break and the first candle give us an entry. You can see that. So you can decide to use the demand and supply indicator, or you can decide to take it off. Okay. So this was an entry for us here. Yeah. I see that there was no pullback actually, just a little. It's heading towards the the lower band or this level here. We are not waiting till you get there. You're not waiting till you get there. All right. So let's get more examples for look at the sell here on crash. You can see the break one. The first red arrow, take it for a sell. You see where you entered. And then it began to move to your lower band here. Look at it. It's also at 90 here. You get it? The important thing is a break. A what? A break. So let's get more breakout examples. Okay, you can see this one, but this one has gone too far. So you can might as well leave it. Look at this. There was a break, and the first red arrow was outside the band. And look at what happened. Going, came up to here, and then came back down there. So it's an awesome strategy. Just ensure you have a good break. You can see the break here in this place, in this day, this 5-minute time frame. Okay, so you can see a break here. There's a break here, and the arrow showed up for you to enter here, and this break here as well, and it showed up you entered here, and you can see the move downwards, straight down, going to the lower band before you close your trade. Okay, so it's as easy as that, it's as simple as that. So let's get more examples so you guys can see what I'm trying to talk about. Please put it to practice. Put it to practice. Don't need to waste time practicing. Wait a day or two is okay. You get confirmation, and then you go ahead and start trading with real money. Look at this. You enter there and they pull back, and then brought you back right down to lower band. It has to touch lower band. If there's a break above, the market is going to go down. Okay, going to go down. Look at that. Look at all the movement downwards. Look at all the movement downwards from this zone. So here, broke your hit your lower band. You entered here, touch the lower band here, and you exited here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this wonderful one from 90. You can see break above, came to confirm that has reversed. It now came back. You enter with a little pullback. Just expect a pullback. That's one thing you should understand. And that pullback is not 100%, meaning it doesn't happen all the time. You can enter, it can start taking you to your profit, taking you until you get to upper and lower band. It can enter and pull you back for just with one candle or two candlesticks. That's why the first entry you take should be a small lot size. So once it has entered this impress band region, then you can add more positions before it gets to the lower upper band. You can even add more position while it's still here because you know that it will touch lower band, because you can see that the market was outside the band. You can see that it was outside the band. It has not entered the band yet. Can you imagine? So you could add more positions here, even here, and here. You understand me? Until it gets to what? The lower band. That's all. For that day, you are done. Wait for another day. Because you cannot find any opportunity, move to another index. You will find something to trade for that day. I'm telling you. Look at this one. Very smooth and nice. Enter through here. You can see just a little pullback and headed to your target. You get it? Look at this one too. You enter there, pull back for 20 minutes and heads toward your target. So you can see that the pullback, it varies. Okay, it varies. Very interesting strategy with no stress, no stress, no stress. Look at this one, very very wonderful. Look at it. You entered from here after the break above, showing the market wants to go down. So you enter from there, from here, sorry, and you pulled it back a little. And was coming back. Look at it, came back down. Confirm. Came back down to confirm. So wow, look at this. Can you see from here? Just add more position, add more position, add more position, add more position. You can rest there because you know where it's heading towards. Heading towards the where lower band. So guys, that is it. Ensure there's a break. That breakout above is trying to gather momentum, trying to gather force to move in the opposite direction. Is that force that pushes to the lower band or the upper band? Okay. Simple and short. Catching spikes has never been easier than this, guys. This indicator is fire. You can trade currencies with it, volatility with it. The same strategy you apply in volatility, the same strategy, the same strategy, right, guys? I'm telling you. Okay. Now, thank you for watching this video. So, guys, please put it to practice. This is for crash. You can apply the same strategy in all other crashes. 5 and 15 minutes. Let's look at 15 minutes and see. You can see the same thing. Very sweet, very sweet, very sweet. You can see. Just that you spend a longer time in the market. That's all. Be assured of your profits anyway. Okay. Pay attention to level 90 and 10. You can see the break above for momentum. Momentum break above to go down. You can see break below to go where? To go up. First buy candle. If you want to trade, ride the trend. First buy candle. You have entered somewhere here and you ride it straight up, buying a little pullback twice here, and it gets to where the upper band. It will get to the upper band because it might face difficulties on the way, resistance on the way, support on the way. It will get to this destination. Okay, good. So you can see where you entered from here. You can add more positions here. Came back down, pull you back a little to retest the upper band, and began to come down, come down. You can see what I'm trying to say. So that is how it works. That's how it works, guys. Look at this one here. There was a breakout and the signal came up when you entered here. You just be riding the trend gradually, riding, small, small. Enter first with a small lot size. As it goes, keep adding more position. Once it has entered the Impress Magic Band region, you can add more position and wait for it to get to your destination. Okay. Let's go ahead and check. Okay, you can see it's pulling back. This 15 minutes. I think the arrow is somewhere there. There's no arrow, don't bother yourself. This 15 minutes, you can see that it has gotten to the up, about to drop to here. So this is an opportunity. So I'm going to throw a little lot size in this. This is an opportunity. You can see from a strong supply zone, and it is here, it is 90 as well, and there's a breakout. But I'm not seeing this B and C. Let me change the color so that to be sharp for me to see. To be sharp. You can see it there. It's there. Look at it. Look at it here. Can you see? All right, guys. I'm heading up. Ending this video now, and I'm going to place my trade. So thank you for watching, and practice, please. Don't waste time in practicing because it works, and then start making your money. Thank you very much. You can see the width of the band, how far the band goes from each other, separates from each other, shows you how far the market will go. You can see if it's tiny, close to each other like this, it will not go that far. But if it's separated from each other like this, the market has enough distance to cover to break the lower band. So thank you guys and have a wonderful time.